Good morning, student. Today we start chapter 9, ratio and proportion. In that, we start the topic percentage. Okay. So, first you see here from book itself percentage. Percentage. What is the meaning of percentage? Literally, percentage is a fraction with denominator 100. Okay. Presented and it is represented with the symbol this. Okay. So percentage is a fraction with denominator 100. If a fraction is like this 25 by 100, then it is a percentage, and it can be written like this 25%. Okay, and we can say this one also 2500. This is the you can if you remember decimal, how to read decimal fractions, decimal number, sorry, then you can you have recognize. Okay, 2500. Why it is 2500? Or fraction also, because it is a 25th part of 100. Okay, that's it. So we start this topic percentage. First topic is in this converting fraction and ratio into percentage. Okay, first of all we have to convert fraction and ratio into percentage. How to convert a fraction or a ratio to a percentage? First of all, what we do to convert a fraction into a percentage, multiply the fraction by 100. We have to only multiply it by 100. And for ratio, what is the rule? To convert a ratio into a percentage, first we have to change it into fraction, and then multiply it by 100. First of all, we change the ratio into fraction, and then we multiply it by 100. Okay, so like this we have to go step by step. The first thing is there, express 1 by 2 as a percentage, express 2 is to 3 as a fraction, and write 4 is to 7 as a percentage. So here we go. I have explaining these three questions here. Fraction 1 by 2, we have changed this fraction into percentage. So what I do here, 1 by 2 into 100. So I cancel it by common factor, that is 2. 2 1 0, 250 times 100. So we get 50%. Okay, whenever we multiply by 100 to change the fraction to 100, so we give this decimal percentage sign. Okay. Now second question is ratio 4 is to 7. First of all, we change it into fraction, that is 4 by 7, and then multiplied by 100. Whenever we multiply by 100, we give the symbol of percentage. So there is none any number which has a common factor. That's why we don't cancel. We are not able to cancel any number here. So what we get here, 400 by 7. So it is 57 whole 1 by 7%. How I got from here? Okay, when we divide it. Now I am going to the exercise 9.4. Some question I solved for you, and the rest you have to solve by yourself. The third question of the first number I have solved for you, that is 24 by 80. So I multiplied by 100. How much I get here? First of all, I cancel 0 and 0, and then I cancel it by table of 2 of common factor. Sorry, the common factor of 8 and 10 is 2. 2 4 is 8 and 2 5 is 10. Now again 4 1 0, 4 20, 4 20, 4 6 24. So how much we get here? 30%. So like this only we have to multiply it by 100 here itself, and whatever we get the answer. Okay, here in this case we get 25 by 3 percent, 25 by 3%. So it is not in the what you call proper form, so we have to divide it. Okay, to change in the mixed fraction. So we get 8 whole 1 by 3%. 4 by 7%. So we have to change in the percentage form. That's why we change in decimal. Means how we do, we change this fraction form. So how we have to divide it. When we divide it, we get the answer, this one, that is 0.57. And how we divide it, you can see here. Suppose 4 is less than 7. So how we divide? This is question. So first we use 0, because 0 7 is 0, that is less than 4. That's why we use 0. So at remainder again we get 0. So then I take decimal. When we take decimal, 1 0 comes. Then we go with 35, 7 5 35. Okay, and then it is, we get here 5 and 1 0. here we get 49, that is 1. Like this we go ahead, but we have to go with 2 decimal places. Okay, after decimal only 2 places, that is 7 till 7. So we get 57, 0.57. Now second topic is how to change decimal to percentage. So simply shift the decimal point 2 places to right and put a percentage sign. Suppose we have to change 0.5 into percentage. What we do, we have to we have to shift this decimal to the right side, means this side. Okay, this side. So 2 places that we have to do. So 1 place and after 1 more place, that is 0. So what we do here, 5 0, that is 50%. Okay, and this case 2 times it becomes 8%. Okay, so like this we have in simply we solve this. Okay, now so from exercise 9.4, some question I solved for you here. 2.05, how we go? So we shift this decimal to right side, your right hand side. Okay, so when we shift it, it goes like this and it becomes 205%. Okay, now it becomes the percentage, this decimal goes after 5. Now here also 5.98, so this decimal goes one place between 9 and 8. Now after that, after 8, so it becomes 58%. Like this only it becomes 0.001. So how we write in percentage? So it goes 2 places, that is between 0 and 0, then between 0 and 1. So it becomes 0.1%. Like this we have to solve all question of exercise 9.4, question number 2. Now we move to the next topic of this chapter, that is how to change percentage to fraction. Now we change percentage to fraction. Okay, first we study about how to change fraction to percentage. Now we study how to change percentage to fraction. Now divide percentage by 100, and example is given is 60%. Then we have to divide 60 by 100. We get the fraction. Okay, first of all we can 0 0, and then we cancel out the common factor with the common factor, that is by 2, 3 by 5. So here also 12.5%, that is 12.5 by 100, we have divided by 100. Then we remove this decimal, then again we get here 10, and now we cancel it by common factor. When we cancel it with the common factor, then we get here 1 by 8. Here also we change this one is mixed fraction to fraction, and then we cancel, we divide it by 100, and then we go ahead. Here also this is a mixed fraction. First of all we have to make this one as a whole fraction, and then we divide it by 100, and then we cancel it by whole what you call common factor. Okay, and then we get here 3 by 40. So like this only we have to go ahead. Now fourth topic, that is converting percentage to decimal. Okay, how to convert percentage to decimal is very easy. Like we study how to change decimal to percentage. That's and like it only how to change percentage to decimal. So shift the decimal point 2 places to the left and draw percentage sign, or divide percentage by 100. So we have to simply shift decimal point to left. So if you see here no decimal point, to where if there is no decimal point, it is after the numbers, means after 0. So we move this to 2 places, means after 0 and 6, and then before 6. Okay, now between 0 and 6 and before 6. Okay, so it becomes 0.6. So some question I have solved from exercise 9.4, question number 4. We have 40 as it is, this as 60%, 50% becomes 0.5. How? Because this decimal is after 0. So when we shift to left, it comes to 0 and 5, between 0 and 5 here, and then after when we move one more, it comes before 5, that is 0.5. Now here 33 whole 1 by 3%. So here we don't use the dash formula. Okay, so what we have to do here, first of all we have to change this one as a fraction, and then we have to divide. Okay, divide it by 100. So when we divide it, how much we get here? We cancel the 100 and 100, we get 1 by 3. Then we have to again divide it by we divide 1 by 3. So how we divide here? 1 is smaller than 3. So what we do here? We go with 0. So 1 minus 0 is 0. Again 1, and then 0 comes down 3, 9. Like this we go ahead. Now third one is very easy, the decimal point. So we move this one to left here, like this. It goes before one, and we get 0.125. Or we else you can go with what you call when we divide it by 100 also you can go 0.125 also. How? When we remove this, then we get here 10. Then there's 3 0. Then we put decimal after 3 0, which is 1, 2, and 3. So like this you have to solve. So in this class we have discussed for 4 questions of exercise 9.4, and then in next class we discuss from 5 to 8 next 4 questions of this exercise. That's all for today. Thank you.